Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken patties. This is a really fantastic way of using that leftover chicken that you just don't know what to do with it. So first thing we need to do is combine 2 cups of shredded chicken. Now this is cooked, by the way, and I just ran it through my food processor to make it easier. And then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 clove of garlic, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of minced onion, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, and 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Now you don't have to use breadcrumbs if you don't want them, but they do help to hold it together when you're frying these. So anyways, that's completely up to you what you want to do. Now, if you find that your mix is too dry, you can go ahead and add another egg or a little bit of water to it. And if it's not, or if it's too wet, go ahead and add a little bit more breadcrumbs to it. So the next step with this is I'm just going to go ahead and cover this now and stick it in the fridge for 20 minutes to chill, and then I'll be right back. The chicken has had plenty of time to chill, and so now it's time to just make them into patties and go ahead and fry them. The reason I really like making this is because, like I said before, it's something that is quick, simple, and easy to put together. It's also a good way of using your leftover chicken. And you can control the ingredients that goes into it, so you don't have to worry about extra preservatives and all that other stuff. So as you can see, I was able to get 5 patties out of the 2 cups of chicken that was used. And all I'm doing now is frying them on both sides for about 5 minutes each side, just until they're golden brown. All right, so these are just about done, and I'm just going to go ahead and plate them and show you what they look like. Have a great day.